Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off vibration for Instagram direct requests on your phone. If you're tired of constant buzzing every time someone you don't follow sends a message request, this simple update will help you keep things quiet while still staying connected. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you'll manage most of your app notifications. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on apps. Here, you'll see a full list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find Instagram in that list and tap on it. This will take you to the app's info page where you can control different permissions, storage, and notification preferences. Now, tap on notifications. This section is where you'll see all the different types of alerts Instagram can send, like messages, likes, comments, and request notifications. From here, look for the option labeled Instagram Direct Requests. This category specifically handles notifications from message requests, those messages that come from people you don't follow or haven't chatted with yet. Once you tap on Instagram Direct Requests, you'll see several alert settings, including sound, pop-ups, and vibration. To stop the buzzing, simply toggle off the Vibrate option. When the switch is turned off, your phone will no longer vibrate when a new message request comes in through Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully turned off vibration for Instagram direct requests. From now on, your phone will stay silent when new message requests appear, giving you peace of mind without missing any updates.